Good morning, children. Hope so. You all are keeping safe at home. We were going through chapter 10 plants, in which we have studied plants are living creature and we can find them everywhere. And there are different parts of a plant like roots, stem, fruit, leaves, branches, flower, etc. And we have also studied about different types of plants like trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers, and water plants. So today we will continue our exercises. Before that, let's go through Now I Know. Trees are big and strong plants. Children, we have studied trees have very thick stem which is known as trunk. Okay, and shrubs are small plants with woody branches. On the other hand, herbs are also small plants but they have soft stem. Okay, climbers and creepers are the plants which have very weak stem. Climbers climb on the wall or they take the support of a stick or a wall to climb up, and creepers are the plants which grow along the ground. And there are water plants also that grow in the water, and some plants even grow under the water. Okay, children? So today we will start exercise B. Exercise A we have done in our last class. You might have done in your book. So let's start number B. Write yes or no. Number 1. Trees are big and strong. Just now, children, we went through trees are very big plant and they are even very strong. So what we will write? Yes. Now number 2. A rose plant is a climber. But what we have studied, rose plant is a shrub. Okay. It has hard and woody branches. Okay. So what we will write? No. Now number 3, a lotus plant grows in water. Yes, children, just now we have studied lotus plant is a water plant and it grows in water. So we will write yes. Now number 4, an orange plant is a herb. Is it right? No, a orange plant is not a herb. Orange grows on a tree. So it is wrong and we will write no. Now number 5, mangoes grow along the ground. Children, have you ever seen mangoes growing on the ground? No, they grow on the trees. Okay, so it is wrong. Mangoes grow on the tree. They don't grow along the ground. So it is wrong and we will write no. This way you will complete this exercise. Now let's move to exercise C. Give one word for the following. Number 1, plants which grow along the ground. What do we call those plants? You have to give one word. So, the plants which grow along the ground or creep on the ground, they are known as creepers. So, you will write creepers. Now, number 2, plants that climb up with the support of a stick or a wall. It is written here, children, that climb up with the support. So they are climbing, they are climbers. So what we will write? Climbers. Now number 3, short and bushy plants. So shrubs and herbs both are short plants, smaller plants, but it is written bushy plants. So shrubs are bushy plants. We will write shrubs. Now number 4, big, tall and strong plants. They are called trees. So we will write trees. So children, complete this exercise C also in your book. Now let's go through exercise D. Label the different parts of the plant shown below. Here, children, a plant is shown along with some arrows where you have to write that part of the plant. You have to name that part of plant. Okay, children? So let's start. From left side, the first picture is the picture of a leaf beginning from L. So what you will write? L-E-A-F, leaf. Now the second one is, you can see children, what is it? Yes, it is flower. So what we will write? F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. The third one is, what is it children? It is the stem of the plant. S-T-E-M, stem. Now come to the right side. The first picture is of a bird. B-U-D, bird. The second one, you can see it is pointing a fruit. Okay, it is strawberry. So what we will write? F-R-U-I-T, fruit. And the last one is the root, which is under the ground. Okay, R-O-O-T-S, roots. Roots are the part of the plant which is under the ground, and the other parts, they are above the ground. So this way, complete this work also in the book. Now let's move to challenge. The national flower of India grows in water. Can you name it? Yes, children. Do you know the national flower of India? Yes, it is lotus. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Now children, life skills. Paper is made by cutting trees. Should we save paper? Why or why not? So children, do you know the fact that paper is made from wood only? So if we will save paper, we can save trees. So is it good to waste paper? No, it is not good. We should keep the papers properly. The paper which is not in use, we should give it to the ragman. That is what we call kabadi wala. They take it, they recycle it, and again it is coming in use. So children, don't waste paper. Okay, so this much today. Next day we will start our revision for periodic test 2. You also learn your work properly at home. Thank you.